Hey everyone, my name's Amy and today I'm showing you guys a no-cook recipe that is delicious. Curry chickpea salad wraps. This is one of my favorite quick, healthy meals to be able to make. Let's get started. So to start off, we're going to chop up the vegetables that we need for this. First, we're going to chop up an onion so that we have 1/4 cup of chopped onion. Next, we're going to chop up broccoli so that we have a 1/2 cup of broccoli. Now we're going to chop up carrots so that we have 1/2 cup of chopped carrots. And finally, we are going to slice up a 1/2 of an apple. Alright, so we're going to put all of that in a bowl and set it aside for a little bit because now we're going to work on what's going to hold it together. Typically, when you make a chickpea salad sandwich, you usually use mayonnaise. And this time, we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be making our own hummus. So to start off, we're going to be using an entire can of chickpeas, drained. We're going to mix that with 2 tablespoons of tahini to give it that kind of hummus flavor. And finally, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of water. This is going to make it so that it is oil-free and therefore really, really healthy. Now you can use store-bought hummus for this, but I personally like to make it from scratch. Store-bought hummus tends to contain lots of oil, and you can control the spices that go into your hummus a little bit more if you make it yourself. Now comes the curry part. We're gonna add in 1 full teaspoon of curry powder into our hummus. Now that our whole hummus is done, we are going to mix that into our veggies. Finally, we're going to add in one last ingredient, and that is a 1/4 cup of raisins. And you're done. I suggest serving this in a whole wheat tortilla with some dark green leafy vegetables. I do want to give a quick heads up to you guys for this week. This is going to be the only video that I'm making this week because I have a lot of schoolwork, including 2 final exams this Thursday, as well as I'm starting 2 other classes before those exams finish. So I will be seeing you guys next week for more of a science video. And until that point, I hope that you enjoy this recipe and that you always remember to love God, eat greens, get moving. See you in the next video.